Venice. We had a lovely time there. Could recommend it. Well, this week's video, I'm doing a little project, and Timmy's in this one, and how we get anything done, I'll never know, because we're always giggling and laughing at stupid things, but that's us. So she's doing Timmy's doing two little projects. She's doing mulled wine and microwavable dumpling, which you wouldn't think would be possible, but it's really good. And I discovered this week that I forgot all about my geraniums after taking so much time and attention and actually doing a wee bit of a video, putting them to bed for the winter. Yeah, I've forgotten. And we've had a really hard snap. I don't know if you can see in the back here. That's frost, that's not snow. It's -9 outside. We had a really hard snap, and I couldn't get into the greenhouse. So when Giovanni came home last night, it was pitch black, and the neighbours must think we're crazy, and there we were trying to open this greenhouse. I'll show you them. I don't think they're going to survive. I put them in the cellar, but I don't think they're going to survive. But I'm keeping my fingers crossed, at least for one, the one that my mum gave me. But if not, Tibby said she can give me a cutting of the same type, same one from her plant. Anyway, so another new subscriber this week, 1-0, Reagan. Thank you very much, Reagan. It's very much appreciated. And please like and subscribe, share, tell your friends. Please help this wee community grow. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
Today, in this cold day, we're making mulled apple juice.
In the freezing kitchen.
Just the right stuff for this type of weather. Well, in here, I've just placed half an orange, just a few slices. And now what we're going to do is we're going to put in the apple juice, a whole lot. Now this is a great one for the drivers of the family. Then we put in the maple syrup, which is 2 tablespoons. If I can get the thing open, we shall try that later on. Now we put in the vanilla paste. Yeah, I've got that one open. That's 2 teaspoons. We have dark brown sugar, but Muscovado is the good one. That's 3 tablespoons. We have 1 star anise, 2 cinnamon sticks,
and we have struggling. Tickle.
My main man, he's no good. And one of these, not the whole one, just a wee scrape in the nutmeg. It just goes in maple syrup. Right, and just shove the whole lot in. Nice wee pretty star. Now you can omit the star anise if you want, but I love it.
I'm not a lover of star anise, but
so, I'm determined that she's going to like it. She's going to try some of this, and I'm sure we'll get it converted. A wee bit more refined, a certain one. Another pint to the boil, but it can be really hot if you take boil. Right, let's shove this on. Put it onto...
You put it on the one that's on, Elizabeth.
Not the smaller one, but
No, the one that's on.
Now you can just put in a couple of wee slices of apple.
Dried apple or fresh apple?
Well, either.
Either or.
I think maybe a wee bit of fresh apple, but no cooking it, just tiny wee bits that you can put into your cup. And then if you like, I should just do that.
Apple? That's too healthy.
It's too healthy. Right, bowl, microwave,
Cling film.
cling film. You could grease it if you want. Okay. Right, so first of all you put in your butter, which is 8 ounces of butter, full packet. And then you need sugar, a cup of sugar, caster, a cup of water, heaped teaspoons of mixed spice. Right, so that's the butter melted and the sugar is dissolved, and we left it, after it came to the boil, we left it on for a couple of minutes and it should look like that.